Flo, I want the recipe for MAMAPUT stew. Upload the recipe for the authentic Buka stew. If I tell you what MAMAPUT used to get that authentic taste of Buka stew, will you use it? Will you? When I tell you now, you wrinkle your nose and tell me to stop washing our dirty linens on these YouTube streets. Anyway, it's my job to continue to tell you the truth so that you can make an informed decision to eat or not to eat next time you queue up at a MAMAPUT with your plate. Make sure you watch till the end for the behind the scenes. Here are the ingredients you will need. First, you need near rotten tomatoes, known as awalawa in Igbo. Nwato.
I want awalawa. Now you dey sell. How much for this awalawa? What do they call it for Yoruba? Esha. Because it don't spoil. No, why they call it? What is the Esha for English? Spoiled tomato. Spoiled tomato, it don't spoil. So for Yoruba, they call them Esha because it don't spoil. Now this kind of tomato, I go use cook the stew.
In Nigeria, awalawa tomatoes are everywhere in the market. But if you live outside Nigeria, you can make your own awalawa tomatoes. Make it happen. Just tie them in a plastic bag, leave them on your kitchen counter, and after a few days, the concentration of the ethylene gas will rise and the tomatoes will start rotting, giving you that unique taste you need in your Buka stew. The length of time it will take depends on the temperature in your kitchen. If it's summer, they will soften quicker. In the winter, that means it will take a while before you enjoy that MAMAPUT stew. You also need tatashi peppers, habanero peppers, and shombo. Shombo pepper. I can never pronounce this pepper correctly. If you know the English name for shombo, please let me know in the comments. Assemble all of them in a bowl, clean and rinse very well. You can see that he is removing the seeds from the tatashi peppers. If you don't remove them, your stew will be bitter. Yeah. I'm a Nigerian market to grind them with a heavy duty grinder, and tell you what, a MAMAPUT restaurant woman just came to blend her tomatoes. Let's take a peek at what's inside her bowl. Look at that. I see tomatoes, more peppers than tomatoes. Always add peppers to your taste, and onions. Yes, if you like blending your tomatoes with onions, go ahead and do that. Compared to mine, you will agree with me that my own ingredients are first grade awalawa, ajibotic awalawa, then blend with heavy duty grinders in Nigerian markets. These heavy duty grinders do a better job of blending these tomatoes. You know when tomatoes start rotting, the insides become very soft and the outer skin forms something like a plastic bag. Waterproof. A normal kitchen blender does not do a good job of blending that plastic-like skin. But if you do not have access to those heavy-duty grinders, by all means, use your kitchen blender. You will need assorted meat, cow skin, that's pomo, beef cuts, cow tripe, that's shaki, and intestines. We call this intestine roundabout because after cooking it, it forms a circle. You need to wash the intestine very well, turn it inside out and clean it properly, else you'll be wondering why your Buka stew tastes like cow dung. Roundabout is my favorite meat of them all. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. You will need mackerel. Mackerel, also known as Titus in Nigeria, is very important in MAMAPUT stew. You will see why shortly. And here are the rest of the ingredients you will need. The full list will be in the description box below this video on YouTube. First, we set the blended peppers and tomatoes on the stove to boil down. Slice some of the onions and chop the rest. Seasoning cubes unwrapped. Boil the assorted meat with some of the chopped onions, 3 small seasoning cubes, and thyme. Boil the fish with the remaining chopped onions, the remaining seasoning cube, and a small amount of water. Once it boils and you're sure it is well cooked, take off the fish and set the fish stock aside. Keep an eye on the tomato puree, and once the water dries up, add the tomato paste. Mix very well, boil for a bit, and it is ready to be fried. Pour some vegetable oil in the pot. Once it heats up, add some onions, then fry the fish. The second secret to the classic taste of MAMAPUT stew is to fry the fish in the oil first, so that the fish flavor will be released into the oil. Combine that with the flavor of rotten tomatoes and you have a bingo known as Buka stew. Fry, fry, fry till golden and smash the like button. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? You've forgotten again while drooling, Okwia? I thought we agreed that you will be liking before watching these days, eh? Madre mia! Once golden all over, take out the fish. Add the remaining sliced onions. Fry till it looks like this. And add the boiled tomato puree. Stir very well and start cook frying on low heat. Stir it from time to time so it does not burn. It's okay when the oil separates from the tomato puree. I have a detailed video equivalent to a degree course on how to fry your best tomato stew. Taste to make sure that the tangy taste of the tomatoes is gone. And you know what? Tomatoes that have gone off like awalawa tomatoes do not have much tangy taste. They have a different kind of taste, perfect for Buka stews. Add Nigerian curry powder, the fish stock, and the meats. Slowly decant the meat stock into the pot. Add the fish and stir very well. Add salt if necessary. cover and leave it to simmer, and that's it. Your authentic mama put right there in your kitchen. What would you enjoy this stew with? Comment below and tell me. I will enjoy it with boiled white yam, boiled rice, boiled beans, boiled whatever. Let me know in the comments. Bye bye. Have you liked this video yet? See you soon. That's my plate. So before I remember to show you guys the meal, they've all gone down. Woo. This is my sister-in-law's plate. Madre mia. Auntie, il chakwa made in China, the FM. Auntie, you made in China.
I want to finish everything.